I'm on the way to APC, Annapurna Base Camp. Look at the guide, all Nepalese. See the view. Very beautiful.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello. These are friends. People are from, I meet you from the Shino last day, the lunch time. See, they follow me. Look at this nice weather. We are going out. We are also going out for the lunch from Himalaya place. Hi. Look at the waterfalls. Look at the view. Lot of snow. Oh. Look at the Himalaya view. Wow, I'm here. Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. I'm back to my YouTube channel. I'm leaving from the Sino to Bom.
No, we're going to the Devrali.
Darali.
Yes.
Look at the view.
Yes.
These guys are from UK.
Yes.
It's a very good company for me.
Yeah.
We are traveling together. See you guys.
See you.
Ciao, bye.
Bye.
I'm on the way to APC, Annapurna Base Camp. Look at the guide, all Nepalese. See the view. Very beautiful.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello. Where you are from?
From
Geneva.
Yeah.
Switzerland. Your country? France.
Yeah.
I've been twice, France, Paris. Nice place. It's the first time?
In Nepal, yeah.
First time. Enjoy your trekking.
Thank you.
See you. Bye bye. Catch you later. Look at the view. I'm very tired. Early morning we started. From what is the place? Shino.
Upper Sinua,
Upper Shino. Now I'm going to
ABC, Durali.
Dorali. Stay there. Tomorrow morning we start again to Annapurna. See you guys. Bye guys. Subscribe my YouTube. Follow me. Thank you very much. Your name?
Sheru.
Sheru.
Yes.
Seru Beru. Hi, look at the waterfalls. Look at the view. Lot of snow. Oh, very hot to come up. I have to walk 7 hours again. Dorali. We are going to sleep Dorali. Very hot to walk. My God. Okay, guys. I'll update more videos. Follow me. Thank you. Woo! Bamboo. 2,145 meters. Look at that. We have to follow left track. We cannot follow right. If we follow right, it is slippery. We'll go down like a 1,000 meter, 2,000 meter downside. These are friends. People are from, I meet you from the Shino last day, the lunch time. See, they follow me. Look at this nice weather. We are going out. We are also going out for the lunch from Himalaya place. So I'm very tired. The young people, they're walking fast.
Okay,
Ciao.
bye.
Bye.
Ciao. Merci. We are in Bamboo. Going to look at the waterfalls. Bamboo! Look at the accommodation. Bed space. We'll sleep here sometime. Wow, nice view. I have a coffee break. Coffee. Himalaya coffee, Himalaya tea.
Yes.
Okay. Very hard to do the trekking here. How do you feel? You feel good? I feel good.
Yeah,
You're from Nepal?
yeah.
Sky, huh? Is your guest?
No, we just tourists.
Tourist, you're trekking.
Normal tourists.
Sorry, my friend.
Yes.
Yes, see the river. See the waterfalls. Oh, very beautiful. My God. No, okay, okay.
Just enjoying the
Welcome to Dovan. Dovan. This place called Dovan. Finally arrived. 4 hours trekking today. All the day for the raining. Trekking with the raining. My energy food, egg noodles, egg soup noodles. Very nice restaurant. It's the more energy for me. Chef, what's your name, chef? Ajindra. Ajindra, chef. Look at the Himalaya view. Wow, I'm here. Beautiful waterfalls. 1 hour I have to go and reach in Himalaya. 1 hour. This is the way I have to do trekking. This is the way to trekking this way. Finally I reach Himalaya. 5:57. This is the third night. I reach Himalaya. Wow. Alone. Without kite I came. No kite for me. No porter for me. Yes, please. Oh, look at the river, the water sound.